Hi friends, in this video we will discuss other integral formulas and some of the helpful trigonometric identities. So now coming to integration of e power ax sin bx dx is nothing but e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Now coming to integration of e power ax cos bx dx, which is nothing but e power ax by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. So as it is sin x is odd function, we can remember here minus. As cos x is even function, we can remember here as plus. So coming to next form, the integration root over a square x square plus a square dx is nothing but, first we have to write, these three formulas are almost similar. First we have to write x by 2 times as it is this quantity root over x square plus a square. As before constant plus sign is there, so plus a square by 2. If this is present in denominator 1 by root over x square plus a square, we will get ln mod x plus root over x square plus a square plus constant of integration. Similarly this also x by 2 times this quantity we have to write, as before constant plus is there, so plus a square by 2. If this is present in denominator 1 by root over a square minus x square, integration is sin inverse of x by a and plus constant of integration. Similarly this also x by 2 times this quantity, as before constant minus is there, so minus a square by 2. If this is present in denominator 1 by root over x square minus a square ln mod x plus root over x square minus a square plus constant of integration. So some of the helpful trigonometric identities are cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From this we get cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos theta by 2, cos sin square theta is 1 minus cos theta by 2, sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So from this sin cube theta we get as this 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Similarly cos 3 theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos cube theta is nothing but 3 cos theta plus 4 cos 3 theta by 4.